My friend Zurab, Excellencies, dear colleagues and friends, it's a great honor to address you today. Nearly 2 years have passed since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. We now have several vaccines that greatly reduce the risk of severe disease and death. And yet, the pandemic is not over. With over 50,000 deaths for COVID-19 globally just in the past week. Some countries are now in the process of reopening their borders and relaxing restrictions on travel, masks, distancing, and other public health measures. Some countries mandate COVID-19 vaccination as the only condition for entry. WHO's position remains that vaccines must be universally available before they can be considered a prerequisite for travel. Otherwise, they simply entrench inequalities and slow down the recovery. To ensure safe tourism, we urge countries to continue applying the full range of tools to control COVID-19, including vaccines, the use of masks, and physical distancing. This pandemic is far from over, and it will not be the last one. WHO is committed to working with the tourism sector, and we encourage all countries to ensure stronger cross-sectoral collaboration to prepare for, prevent, and respond to COVID-19 and future health emergencies. Thank you, and I wish you a very successful General Assembly.